Annabelle Wallis is one of the hottest actresses of today. Who has won the hearts of millions across the world. Her performances on the silver screen have made audiences to go wild. Annabelle is gorgeous and has notable breaking heads left and right. If you are one of the many who cannot get her out of their head, then follow along as we go over her dating history, body measurements, and dating history. Annabelle Wallis, the story of success. Annabelle Wallis was born on 25 September 1984 in Oxford. She was raised in a high-profile family. Her great maternal uncle was the dashing actor Richard Harris. And her cousins were Jamie Harris, and Damian Harris. Annabelle's family had moved to Portugal when she turned 18 months old. And she attended international schools there. As a result, Annabelle was trained in several languages including English, French, Spanish, and Portuguese. Annabelle Wallis' height and weight. Annabelle Wallis is an incredible actress with an impressive height. She stands 5 foot 7 inches or 170 centimeters, and her weight only 58 kg, 128 pounds. Dating history. Annabelle Wallis is eye candy for several men in the industry and is fancied for her gorgeous looks. She has had a non-scandalous dating history, which was in the media's limelight for quite some time. In 2010, Annabelle Wallis was romantically associated with the British model James Ross, and they had a serious relationship. They were seen accompanying each other at a family gathering and high-profile events. Annabelle and James Ross dated until 4 years. And later Annabelle dumped him for the Coldplay frontman Chris Martin. James was in dismay and he posted an unflattering picture of her, which she made him remove from his Instagram eventually. In 2015, Annabelle Wallis was officially linked to Chris Martin after his divorce was finalized. They were supported indulging in PDA in 2015 and by 2016. She made an Instagram post showing her engagement ring, which sparked engagement rumors. Unfortunately, the couple decided to end their relationship in 2017. Presently, Annabelle Wallis has been in a relationship with American actor Chris Pine since 2018. They have kept their relationship private and are going as strong as ever. Several fans have speculated marriage rumors, but there is no official statement from the couple. Net worth. Annabelle Wallis is an outstanding actress who has surely worked hard to earn her success. She is at the top of her career only because she did not surrender in the face of adversity. And that's all that counts in the end. As of 2022, she has an estimated net worth of $4 million. Most loved things. Favorite place, Portugal, Africa. Favorite designers, Peter Pilotto, J.W. Anderson, Ruxanda Illicens, and Georgia Hadding. Favorite hobbies, paintball, horse wrangling, motocross.